Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, BVF Collection, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, bringing you a 5-year hunt now coming to an end. For 5 years, I've been spending endless hours and time and resources trying to hunt the XXL OG BRED Kill Hoodie. Okay, in this package, I have none other than that, from none other than the GOAT of BRED Kill Hoodies himself, Nebby. So I got a huge thank you to Nebby, because without him, this would not be my possession. This is a very special moment for me. I cannot exaggerate that enough. My reaction may not be as like blah 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 for whatever reason. I'm just prefacing by saying like this is a very big moment for me, guys. Yeah, so I got no one to thank but him. And to further that, 5 years ago, when I first started looking, he was the first person I asked. And he was like, I only have an XL. And I was like, no, I want a double. He was like, good luck. And then and then from that point forward, I didn't realize it would take 5 years to get it. But it's also ironic because I get it from him 5 years later. Oh, here we go. And it got delayed. It was supposed to be here a couple days ago on Monday. It's Thursday now. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Scoot and boot for the Holy Grail. Scoot and boot. Wow. I don't see any cracking. I see that one stretch crack, but that's normal. Dude, this is VNDS, guys. Very near dead stock XXL, mind you. This is extremely rare. And I gotta freaking exaggerate how thankful I am for Nebby to, fold it perfectly like this. He understands. He understands. And I get it in a revenge bag. This revenge bag has to stay forever. Even though it's like just a chill revenge bag, this one means a lot to me. This specific one. Again, thank you so much, Nebby. Oh my gosh, he double wrapped it. And it's a black tag, by the way. It's a black tag OG. It's not a first gen size tag. It's literally the Holy Grail. This is literally the Holy Grail, guys. Can't stress that enough. Wow. It's so beautiful, and I can just see the tag peeking through. I'm just enjoying the process because it will never be folded like this again, type of thing. Look at him go. Thank you, Neb. You gave me the whole experience. Now I get to undead stock it. That's so cool of him to do. Oh, I'm actually geeked now. Metal eyelets, you already know. Not no rare Gildan blank, even though it's more rare. I love the metal eyelets. Oh, the blank, independent blank, so good. This is so good. Okay, we're gonna flip it over. We're just taking our sweet time. I'm telling you, this is a very, very, very big moment for me, guys. Scoot and boot method for the Holy Grail. Wow, look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. To open it up now. Let's put it up here. One fold. Boom. We're taking our time. I'm telling you, this is a big deal. Take our time. Let's unfold the hoodie. And look at him. I could just tell the hand is perfectly preserved. This is how you properly ship, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you properly ship a hoodie. Look at what he did here. I'm telling you. Here we go. And for the moment of truth, the kill hand. The freaking very near dead stock OG BRED Kill Hoodie kill hand. Oh my gosh. It's finally mine. It's finally mine. I can't believe it. I can't believe it's finally mine. In XXL. The inside is as soft as can be. Let's check out the sleeve text. This is a big deal too. The touring text versus sleeve text. They don't make the OG sleeve text anymore. They don't do it even like in today's BRED Kill re-releases. So the OG sleeve text is also another big deal because of it being the only or main version that you see X rocking. You'll never see him. Maybe there's like, I know there's like at least one picture that I've seen of him in the touring, but 9 times out of 10, I'm telling you, this version is what you see. The OG, all capitals sleeve text of Revenge is in the creator's hands. Wow. What a beautiful piece. I can't wait to try this on. Again, huge shout out and thank you to Nebby, because without him, I would not own this piece. Thank you again. Let's go ahead and check out the tag. I didn't even check out the tag. I'm just, wow. Let's go ahead and let's do one of these. I love it. I love it so much. Look how big this thing is. Look at that. Wait, this needs to be a little bit better. There we go. Wait. Thumbnail. Now, the tag, last but not least. And that's why it took 5 years right there. The length, the width, and the size, man. It really was impossible to get XXL, guys. It's very hard to get XXL. So, and in this condition, I'm telling you, this is an extremely crazy, awesome moment for me, guys. I can't stress it enough. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below. I don't really care personally for personal reasons. I just wanted so that whenever someone does want to look up something like this on the internet, they'll have an easier time finding their way to, this channel, us, me. I just really want this to be seen by more people. So please, if you can like, subscribe, comment down below on the good stuff. And yeah, without further ado, with all that said and done, that concludes my 5-year hunt Grail video. Again, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have hope you all have an amazing day or night, whatever it may be. Yeah, that's it. Thanks again. Much love to everybody. Yeah, no more. I love it. I love it. No more hunt. No more Grail huntage. Oh my gosh. Okay. Lastly, sorry. I just gotta add this one more thing. I am extremely grateful and thankful for the relationships and friends that I've made in this community, because without them, I would not have this. When it comes to finding these on the market, I could not find them on the market. This was basically a private buy. This was not an official for sale, blah, blah, blah price, buy it here. Again, this is from Nebby. This is from someone in the community that I built a connection with in order to get this, basically. I built this amazing foundation, and with all the content I'm posting and everything I'm doing, it kind of leads to this moment. I wouldn't have it without all of you guys, all the hard work I put in, but mainly all of you guys that have been supporting me through time and time again, no matter what. Thank you guys so much. I really just can't stress enough. Thank you all so much for watching, for real, if you made it this far. Again, I hope you have an amazing day. This is BVF Collection. Take care. Much love.